So this is a outside wood furnace we built about 30 years ago. The firebox is totally enclosed with water. Oh, look at what you can see in there. What happened is after 30 years, because we didn't know we shouldn't, the pan rusted through. We think it got a whole bunch of creosote underneath it, and it rusted from the bottom. There's actually a hole over here. But this is 30 years of I don't know what. This is something we maybe should rinse out every so often, huh? But it actually put some holes through, probably all over, but there's some holes here. I just don't see them now. But so what's cool about this is the door is filled with water. It through some slip rings into valves, which are gone right now. And so the seal is just silicone, and it's lasted all this time. We'll redo it now, but everything is water temperature that touches the valve. So, there's at least 6 inches of water around the whole firebox. So what holds the firebox in is the door, the air intake, and where the chimney mounts. So, but other than that, the steel looks really good. Other than the bottom, the very bottom. You can see it here. It's still nice and thick. So we're just gonna weld a new bottom on. Maybe get another 40 years out of it. So